Welcome to my channel. This is MG with Pat, and it will be part 11 of tips and tricks. So today I want to do something a little bit fun, where you're gonna either prank some people or just have fun for yourself with just the only thing you need is a USB stick, and you have to download MP3 on it. And with an MP3, I would suggest you to put another minute with silence afterwards, because when you put it in, the car will automatically go round and round, so you will hear the sound as long as the memory stick is in. So if you put the memory stick in, when you start the car, you can put whatever sound you want. I actually made a sound bank. So I will put the link in the description, and if you want as well, if you think that I did a good job and you want to help me a little bit, then you can as well donate a little bit. I'll put a link as well so that you can donate if you are interested to it. But so I'll show you how it works with the different sound I put in on the memory stick. So what you have to do is just to plug the memory stick in before you start the car, and when you start the car, instead of having the radio starting, it will go automatically to the memory stick and get the file. So I would suggest to have one file on it. So take an old memory stick, just put one file on it and change it sometimes, and you can prank people by having a different type of sound, and well, that's more a hack and tips and tricks, but well, you can have a lot of fun, and at least you won't have the radio blasting, but you can have you can even have a playlist if you want as well. You can have your own playlist. But let's see what I managed to organize for you guys. Bye bye.
Only you.